In this video, I'm showing you how to use the Octohide VPN. Very simple and easy. So you can get it on Play Store. I don't know about Apple Store for iPhone users. So you just download it like this. This is how it looks like, the interface. You can use it without even signing up. So you just tap on the power button there. Good. And you connect. So you can see I've been connected here. And that's it. So to turn it off, you just tap on that again to turn it off. Good. So now you can see I've turned it off here. So now you can move to the location, the bottom, you can see the buttons, the location is in the middle. And you can see free here. So these are all free locations you can connect. US has LA, that's Los Angeles. You have Miami, you have the UK, you have Singapore, you have Poland, Netherlands, and then Germany for free. And then the VIP, you have all these locations. You have almost every country, all the locations here. Good. And you also have all locations here to check all the locations that is available on the VPN. And you can tap on the setting button that's behind or beside the locations at the bottom. Good. So on here, when you tap on the account, you can create an account. So just like I said earlier, you can use the VPN without creating any sort of account. So these are the settings here, the VPN settings. Yeah, you can change it to WireGuard and everything. And it's been set to default. If you downloaded the DNS setting to, if you have any sort of DNS settings, you can do that. And also the advanced setting here is just some petty stuff you have to do this. You need to be very much good when it comes to networking before you can do all these things. Good. And then this is also per app settings. Good. So this is also some 1, 2, 3 things you can do here. And then the appearance, that's you want light and dark mode, you can change it. Yeah, light, dark mode, you just tap on the dark to change it to dark. Good. And then also the language, you can select your preferred language on the app. So they have all these languages available that you can select on the Octohide VPN. Good. And also if you have a token and you want to redeem, so you can get your premium version or you can upgrade. You can tap on the redeem token here. Good. But I need to create an account first, so I'm going to do that. And also export your WireGuard configuration. That's the first settings, the DNS and the protocol and everything. Good. So that's it. So if you want to contact customer service, you tap on the contact here. Good. So you can contact our support team by tapping on this. They'll redirect you to a different page. So let's not do that. Let's come back to the app. Good. And now let's come back. And now let's try to create an account. So I tap on the account here to create an account. And I'll have to... So I can see the screen is blank. So I'm going to tap on register. Good. I'll have to enter some details. So after that, you can sign in and yes, you start using the Octohide VPN. Very simple and easy. So if you want to upgrade, if you want the premium version, you tap on the upgrade and you continue to pay. You can see here 380 and the rest. It depends on the country you're inside. It's going to change the currency. So you get to know. And if you have a token too, you can do that too as well. So that's it on the Octohide VPN. Very simple. So this is one of the free VPNs you can use on the internet. You're an Android user, I don't know for iOS, but that's it for the video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Peace.